Welcome to Color Studio. Here, we transform your photos with stunning, moody green, cinematic preset Lightroom edits step by step. Let's see before and after editing.
First, go to light. Exposure down negative 0.50. Plus 10 for contrast. Highlights down negative 11. Shadows to plus 8 and black plus 18. Go to curve, follow these steps. Next, go to color. Temp plus 2, tint down negative 2, and negative 8 vibrance, saturation down negative 10. Go to color mix. First, go to red color, hue plus 18, and saturation down negative 36, luminance down negative 2. Next, go to orange color, hue plus 6, and saturation down negative 18, luminance negative 18. Next, go to yellow color. Hue down negative 10, saturation down negative 16, and luminance negative 18. Next, go to green color. Hue plus 50, saturation down negative 44, next go to light blue color, hue plus 2, saturation down negative 30 and luminance 0. Next, go to blue color, hue 0, saturation down negative 44 and luminance negative 24. Next, go to purple color, hue +20, saturation down -60, and luminance -16. Next, go to pink color, hue +40, saturation down -60, and luminance 0. Next, go to Effect, +52 for texture, clarity down -60, and -18 for dehaze. Next, go to grain, +14, size 62, rough +64. Now go to Details, Color Noise Reduction +26.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Color Studio, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.